If you're looking for proven ways to grow your solar business and attract more local customers online, this video is for you. I'll share some powerful marketing tips that have worked for countless businesses just like yours. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an established business, these strategies can help you make this your most successful year in business so far. The first thing that you want to focus on is your website, because your website is the first impression that you're going to make with new customers. So make sure that it has a modern design and looks very, very new. Make sure that it's mobile friendly, since most of your customers will be visiting your website on a mobile phone. Make sure it's easy to navigate, easy to see what services you offer, easy to see your service area, and easy to contact you. And finally, make sure it loads very, very fast. The next thing I want you to focus on is your SEO, your search engine optimization. This is what gets you found when people are searching for your services through search engines like Google and Bing. Now, there are a lot of different things that you need to do to improve your SEO, but I'm going to give you the three that I want you to focus on first. The first is building out specific service pages. The second is building out location targeted pages. These are dedicated pages that target your local areas. And the third is improving your EEAT. There are lots of factors that come into EEAT, but the ones I want you to focus on first of all is ensuring that you've got real pictures of your team and ensuring that you've got lots of information about your company. The next thing you want to focus on is your Google Business Profile. This is what shows up when people are searching for local service providers like yourselves in what's known as the map pack. Your Google Business Profile will also show up on the right-hand side of your SERP when people are searching for your brand name. So ensure that you've filled out all of the information correctly throughout your entire Google Business Profile. You also want to make sure that you've got optimized content inside of your About Us section. Make sure that you've added all of your services and are using the post feature regularly. Another great tip is to ensure that you're building out good, high quality citations throughout the internet. The next thing to focus on is your review generation. You need to get high quality reviews on every platform that your business is listed on. Your Google Business Profile, your Trustpilot, your Facebook, everywhere your business is listed, you want high quality reviews. So figure out a review generation strategy that works for you and stick to it. And when the reviews start coming in, respond to them. This shows Google and your customers that you're an active business and you care about your customers. The next place to focus is your social media marketing. Make sure that you're being active on social media because your customers are going to be researching your company before they reach out to you. So make sure your social media is full of constant updates, pictures of your staff, your work, links to your blog, adverts about your services and more. This is all designed to help people know that you're a company that's doing a lot of business. It will also help with your SEO as well, as it helps with indexation and with your rankings. The next thing is pay-per-click advertising. This is where you only pay when someone clicks on your website after they've searched for a search term that you have decided is relevant for your business. You can restrict the locations that your adverts show to ensure that you're only showing up when local people are searching. This ensures that you don't have to pay when someone searches from another country, for example. This is a really good way to get leads coming in quickly, but it can be quite expensive depending on the amount of competition you have in your area and the conversion rate that you have on your current website. This is why it is critical that you first address the issues with your website before running pay-per-click advertising. If you'd like any help with your website, your SEO, or any other aspect of your digital marketing, feel free to get in touch with us at Footsteps Design. We're always happy to have a chat and see how it is that we can help you and your business grow.